Welcome to the English Academy. In today's lesson, we will explore 50 everyday English phrases that native speakers use naturally. Phrases that make your English sound advanced, confident, and fluent. Let's begin with them. 1. At the end of the day. Meaning, after considering everything. When everything is taken into account. Example. At the end of the day, what matters most is how you treat people. This phrase is perfect when you want to summarize your final opinion or conclusion. 2. I couldn't agree more. Meaning, you completely agree with someone. Example. When she said kindness is more powerful than money, I couldn't agree more. This is a polite and powerful way to express strong agreement. Better than just saying, I agree. 3. Let's call it a day. Meaning, to stop working or finish what you're doing for now. Example. We've done enough for today. Let's call it a day and continue tomorrow. Native speakers often use this phrase at work or while studying to sound casual but professional. 4. Go the extra mile. Meaning, to make more effort than is expected or required. Example. If you want to impress your boss, go the extra mile on every project. Using this phrase shows dedication and excellence. Qualities that advanced English learners should express confidently. 5. A blessing in disguise. Meaning, something that seems bad at first but turns out to be good later. Example. Losing that job was a blessing in disguise. It pushed me to start my own business. This phrase is emotionally powerful and often used to express positivity in tough times. 6. Actions speak louder than words. Meaning, what you do is more important than what you say. Example. He promised he would help, but never did. Actions speak louder than words. This is one of the most used moral expressions in English conversations. 8. The ball is in your court. Meaning, it's your turn to take action or make a decision. Example. I've given you all the information. Now the ball is in your court. This is often used in business discussions or decision-making moments. 9. It's not rocket science. Meaning, it's not difficult to understand. It's simple. Example. You just have to follow the steps. It's not rocket science. Use this when encouraging someone or simplifying a concept. 10. A piece of cake. Meaning, something very easy to do. Example. For her, solving math problems is a piece of cake. It's a cheerful everyday phrase that instantly makes your English sound relaxed and fluent. 11. Break the ice. Meaning, to start a friendly conversation in an uncomfortable or new situation. Example. He told a funny story to break the ice at the meeting. This phrase is often used in social or business situations where you want to make people feel comfortable. 12. Hit the nail on the head. Meaning, to describe exactly what is causing a situation or problem. Example. When she said we need better communication, she really hit the nail on the head. This phrase is great when you want to compliment someone for being accurate or insightful. 13. Burn the midnight oil. Meaning, to work late into the night. Example. Students often burn the midnight oil during exam season. It's an expressive way to show dedication and hard work beyond normal hours. 14. Caught red-handed. Meaning, to be caught while doing something wrong or illegal. Example. The thief was caught red-handed by the police. It's commonly used in both serious and humorous contexts. 15. Under the weather. Meaning, feeling slightly ill or unwell. Example. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today, so I'll rest at home. This is a polite and natural way to describe that you're not feeling your best. 16. Cut to the chase. Meaning, get to the point. Avoid unnecessary details. Example. We don't have much time, so let's cut to the chase. This phrase is very popular in business and meetings, especially when people want to speak efficiently. 17. Pull someone's leg. Meaning, to joke or tease someone in a friendly way. Example. Relax, I'm just pulling your leg. I didn't mean it seriously. It's a great way to show humor and friendliness in your tone. 18. Back to the drawing board. Meaning, to start again from the beginning because the first plan failed. Example. Our design didn't work, so it's back to the drawing board. This phrase is often used in work, projects, or creative discussions when something needs to be redone. 19. In hot water. Meaning, in trouble or facing difficult consequences. Example, he got into hot water for missing the deadline. It's a vivid expression that adds emotion to your storytelling. 20. Bite the bullet. Meaning, to face a painful or difficult situation with courage. Example, she didn't want to apologize, but she bit the bullet and said sorry. It's a strong motivational phrase often used when you have no choice but to do something tough. 21. Keep your chin up. Meaning, stay positive and brave, even when things are difficult. Example, I know life is tough right now, but keep your chin up. Better days are coming. This phrase offers encouragement and hope, often used to comfort someone going through a hard time. 22. Out of the blue. Meaning, suddenly, unexpectedly. Example, she called me out of the blue after 5 years of silence. This phrase adds drama and surprise to your storytelling. 23. Take it with a grain of salt. Meaning, don't take something too seriously or literally. Example, he exaggerates a lot, so take his words with a grain of salt. It's a very natural phrase for conversations, showing you can handle information wisely. 24. A dime a dozen. Meaning, very common or easy to find. Example, fake news is a dime a dozen these days. This phrase helps you describe things that are not special or unique. 25. The best of both worlds. Meaning, a situation where you enjoy two benefits at the same time. Example, working from home gives me the best of both worlds, comfort and productivity. It's a positive, balanced expression to describe ideal situations. 26. By the book. Meaning, following rules or procedures strictly. Example, the officer did everything by the book. You can use this phrase to describe discipline or professional correctness. 27. Cost an arm and a leg. Meaning, something very expensive. Example, that luxury car costs an arm and a leg. It's a colorful way to emphasize how costly something is. 28. Hit the sack. Meaning, to go to bed or sleep. Example, I'm exhausted. I think I'll hit the sack early tonight. It's an informal, friendly expression used in casual conversations. 29. Throw in the towel. Meaning, to give up or stop trying. Example, after many failed attempts, he finally threw in the towel. This phrase originates from boxing and is often used to describe surrender or exhaustion. 30. The ballpark figure. Meaning, an approximate or rough estimate. Example, can you give me a ballpark figure for the total cost? This phrase is frequently used in business or negotiation to sound practical and professional. 31. Get out of hand. Meaning, when a situation becomes difficult to control. Example, the argument got out of hand quickly and turned into a big fight. This phrase is used when something escalates beyond your control, useful in both personal and professional contexts. 32. Let the cat out of the bag. Meaning, to reveal a secret accidentally. Example, she let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. It's a fun and visual idiom that brings life to your sentences. 33. In the long run. Meaning, over a long period of time, eventually. Example, it might be hard now, but it'll be worth it in the long run. This phrase helps you sound reflective and mature in expressing outcomes. 34. Call the shots. Meaning, to be in control or make the important decisions. Example, in this company, the CEO calls the shots. It's a powerful expression that conveys leadership and authority. 35. See eye to eye. Meaning, to agree with someone completely. Example, we don't always see eye to eye, but we respect each other's opinions. This is a polite and intelligent way to express agreement or respectful disagreement. 36. The tip of the iceberg. Meaning, a small, visible part of a much larger problem. Example, the financial issues we see are just the tip of the iceberg. It's a deep and visual expression used to describe hidden or underlying problems. 37. Hit the road. Meaning, to leave or start a journey. Example, it's getting late. Let's hit the road. It's casual and friendly, perfect for everyday conversations or travel situations. 38. Keep an eye on. Meaning, to watch or monitor something carefully. Example, can you keep an eye on my bag while I grab some coffee? This is a polite and widely used expression for asking someone to look after something. 39. On cloud nine. Meaning, extremely happy or delighted. Example, she was on cloud nine when she got her dream job. This idiom expresses joy vividly and naturally. 40. Once and for all. Meaning, finally, completely, and decisively. Example, let's solve this issue once and for all. This phrase adds confidence and finality to your statements. 41. Better late than never. Meaning, it's better to do something late than not do it at all. Example, he finally started exercising. Better late than never. It's a friendly, forgiving phrase you can use when someone completes a task later than expected. 42. Easier said than done. Meaning, something sounds simple but is actually difficult to do. Example, quitting bad habits is easier said than done. It's a thoughtful expression, often used to show understanding or empathy. 43. In the same boat. Meaning, in a similar situation or facing the same problem as others. Example, don't worry, we're all in the same boat here. This phrase helps create a sense of connection and understanding in group situations. 44. Cut corners. Meaning, to do something poorly or cheaply to save time or money. Example, the builder cut corners, and now the walls are cracking. It's a common professional phrase used to describe low quality or rushed work. 45. Make ends meet. Meaning, to earn just enough money to live or survive. Example, many families are struggling to make ends meet these days. This is a compassionate, real-world expression you'll often hear in news or daily conversations. 46. Speak of the devil. Meaning, used when the person you were talking about suddenly appears. Example, speak of the devil. We were just talking about you. It's a humorous and light-hearted phrase, great for friendly situations. 47. Keep your fingers crossed. Meaning, hope for good luck or a positive outcome. Example, I have a job interview tomorrow. Keep your fingers crossed for me. This is a friendly, optimistic phrase used in both formal and informal contexts. 48. On the same page. Meaning, to agree or have a shared understanding. Example, let's make sure we're on the same page before starting the project. It's a professional and polite phrase used in teamwork, discussions, and meetings. 49. You can say that again. Meaning, I completely agree with you. Example, this weather is amazing. You can say that again. It's an enthusiastic, natural way to express full agreement. 50. Time flies. Meaning, time passes very quickly. Example, can you believe it's already October? Time flies. It's one of the most common and emotional phrases in English, often used in conversations about memories or change. And that brings us to the end of this lesson. 50 everyday English phrases that will help you sound fluent, confident, and natural in every conversation. Now that you've learned them all, remember, don't just memorize, use them daily. Try to include one or two phrases in your sentences whenever you speak or write. Practice listening to native speakers and note how they use these expressions casually. Mastering these phrases will make your English sound advanced. Not because you know difficult words, but because you can express emotions, clarity, and tone naturally. Thank you for learning with the English Academy. Keep practicing, keep improving, and never stop growing. Because fluency isn't about perfection, it's about progress. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the English Academy for more such videos. See you soon in the next video.